Good news to all Plotagon users. If you are the type that have been looking for a way to make use of all Plotagon content, and due to the subscription plan, you are being limited to use it. Now, the good news is at Femtech Animation Studio, we are helping all Plotagon users, that is, those who cannot afford to purchase the Plotagon subscription themselves. Our goal is to help millions of Plotagon users to purchase this subscription plan. Note, and please know this does not involve hacking. Okay, we are not involved in any form of hacking. Now, if you are looking for a video that talks about hacking of Plotagon, please, you can leave this video. But if you are the type that you want to have access to all Plotagon content without hacking, then simply means we are going to purchase the Plotagon license on your behalf. All you need to do is to complete some few instructions. Number one, you need to go on to Plotagon's channel and subscribe to their channel, like their video, comment, do a screenshot of all this. Okay, now the next one is on the description box of this video. You will see a link that will direct you to my WhatsApp link. Okay, there you need to send me the proof of this screenshot you've made. All right, and lastly, all you need to do is to complete just one more task, which I will show you on the WhatsApp group. Please note this, and I repeat, note this. If you are the type you are looking for hacking, okay, this video is not for you. Okay, this video is only meant for those who are having financial constraint, okay, whereby you can't really purchase this due to the fact that Plotagon, due to the money involved, issues in purchasing your Plotagon license. So we would actually do that for you. Okay, and your question might be, am I affiliated to Plotagon? No, this is not a sponsored video from Plotagon or to Plotagon. No, the major reason why I always create videos like this to help Plotagon users is because number one, Plotagon has been an easy app to use on my mobile device, and I really love it a lot. It has really helped me a lot, and I've said it unto myself that I will always help those. Okay, I will always help people once I have the capacity. So this video is only limited to some few users. Okay, when I say few users, we're talking about 1,000 new users for the month of July. So if you're watching this video for the month of after July, then you need to look for my other video on that specific month you are looking at. Okay, so guys, I can't wait to see you on my WhatsApp status. Remember, it's an update, and only you, only you can make this world a better place. Thank you so much for your time. Love you all. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, comment. Love you guys. One love.